What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike outlet find. As you can see, this is a pair of Nike Air VaporMax Pluses. That's what it says on the box right here. And you can also see there's no lid, which means it was on the hash wall. It was 30% off $180. I paid 126 Canadian for them. That means this shoe right here cost me about 90 US dollars. Pretty nice shoe for 90 US dollars. If you like this shoe, check it out on StockX. There's an affiliate marketing link in the description where you can get yourself a pair of these for market value or a reasonable approximation of market value. As you can see, the bottom here, super clean, VaporMax bottom. VaporMax Pluses are one of my favorite types of VaporMax shoes. They definitely look pretty cool. They're caged with these little plastic pieces, so you get some support. And this is one crazy colorway. Let's check out how it looks on foot in just a second here. Before we do that, let's take a second to appreciate what it is that makes the VaporMax Plus. Very fancy pair of shoes. Let's see how they look on foot. So as you can see on foot, this is a fire colorway, and they look especially good with joggers. And if you're looking for joggers, check out the Amazon affiliate link to buy joggers in the description. Amazon is a great place to buy joggers. I keep wanting to say zoggers. But Amazon is a great place to buy joggers because you don't have to leave the house. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. I happen to think that these are really fire shoes. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to check out the links in the description. The StockX affiliate marketing link to buy yourself a pair of these, or the Amazon link to buy yourself a pair of nice joggers. Nice joggers make all sneakers look better, so I would check out the link. Thanks for watching the video again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.